Good morning, my dear students. Today is the second day. I'm going to continue the poetry section, poetry number 5, Preludes by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot ki Preludes saiba mga su poetry do paikat ke yam phajaba sayeng ne. First of all, I would like to give the meaning of the poetry according to T.S. Eliot. Eliot na piriba Preludes ki wahan thok hana thamge. A short musical composition to one theme marvene. Theme mamada atenba musical composition nama p marvene. Ado p is heading to the grim reality of city life. Sarda laiba am nuaitaba reality ama punchi mahing ama. Haiba kano sida heading to the reflect away. The poem describes the modern industrialized life as dull and depressing. Saying china industrialized oiraba chakhalaba khoi huziki modern life si am tanba pungning hanba depressed over nungai hom khangdaba adumba punchi mahing am lele and killing the human spirit yam phajaba wafam ne akoi human spirit se lai phauda akoi there will be no threat to the mankind, but because of the loss of human spirit this environment has been degraded and the men killed one another. Lots of problems, crime comes from the loss of human spirit. Human spirit so it deals on human spirit. Koina am conscious over the area ama koina hingba panging hingba but yam chaw na maram leiba koi city dweller amaga those people living in the outskirts of the village or in countryside. There's great difference between the lifestyle. Left of nature the no ana hingba koi countryside side the lady ba miyoi singa sarda lady ba miyoi singi punchi marendo haiba prelude sayo sereng sida saithara duna haitare short musical composition theme masida piune T.S. Eliot na. So you might have known about Eliot. Eliot ki maram da khangam gani mahak si 1888 America the popone aduga naturalized British citizen oina Britain da lai ki ko 20th century English poetry the man ahongba revolution am puraki adana picture of nature or of people maji am bana yam kanna idealized picture of nature or of people si igande adana ma the industrialized life kumba si iri hariba one of the poem prelude si say makalam. So let's come to the context koi lakse preludes. The winter evening settles down with smells of stacks in the passageways. 6 o'clock. Winter, the winter. Akak winter ni karamba to the poet. Hi winter hek pallaba kabisina express tong se winter is less pleasant than summer. Summer da giya na nuai taba nuai be amwat pa adu ma season ne hai unyam taba the weather fattaba nuai taba tare sathok thok da nuai taba. Summer is the best season to them in western countries. Aduna winter is less pleasant than summer. Hariba winter sida numinang warang ni matam yoropada when people are coming back from 6 o'clock refers to the time when people are coming back from office and factories. When they are that come them na choktaraga office factories tagi tholpa matamda freshness ki mahutta sansa phutpugumba namthiba manam hana lambida passageways London yadom street ta hana oknar the burnout end of smoky days and now a gusty sour wraps the creamy scraps of wither lips about your feet. Burnout end of smoky days. Hey man, a day has been compared with a cigarette and the cigarette butt is like the evening time. Numidang waramga cigarette butt loram daido. Aduga mana compared to wikabina. Uneasy weba, nuaitaba, matando. Mutalak to the and now a gusty sour wraps. Nong tili muchu eb. Indam dagi Haksang wana factory and office tagi tholokpa matamda da kaidore ingaba matam winter gi ingba un taba marak to da nong su tili su salle. Ada amot akai grimy scraps chairiba unawana degi pataba polythene or many things dirty things mayam sida wither lips about your feet makhong na taong liat pada khuiraba patlaba una apatpadu prit longa kapa am very uneasy feelings. This poem shows all uneasiness, dull and depression. Always remember, hariba poem sigi fai maru web sigi no depressing dullness of the city dwellers. Masini hanjan repeat to this. Newspapers from back and lots, the showers beat on broken blinds. Newspapers sing you money ki tainaba hang bada pataudi yomaga langthongna rei ko haiba talak to the showers haiba ki even nongdana kaiba mishel thongnau de ki changchal a. Then on chimney pots, outlet for smoke outlet or chimney pot singda maiku thopam singda nongpian haijale. And at the corner of the street, a lonely cab horse steams and stamps. Street ki, lyric ki, kachil lamada, naitum tarava sagol gari ma, makung adu thang thok lava, stamp pangsan lava. Ingman, sorwan mada sagondo, manin kar, ingman. Yam hangidan very uneasily that lonely horse. I mean the cab horse was there. And then the lighting of the lamps. Aduga, lighting of the lamps. Aikoi mai sing thangat narami. At that time, street lamps were lit with oil fires. Oil fires na haiba street sing se haji ko lantern night or kerosene goma thanba oil lamp sing se haiba 18th century the moi mafam sida street sing the London the thale. Adugi matam duyo matam ne evening time. The morning comes to consciousness. The next stage. Morning da ayukta kari lai conscious la kumatam da mikap thol kumatam da when people are coming out to fresh themselves with a cup of coffee, they face first of all faint stale smells of beer. Ngarang thamba haidomba beer gi punam hano instead of freshness in the morning. Kadaida from the shortest Temple Street in the 18th century, that the streets of London were very muddy. Aduna moi horai khai makup shortest se yam chai. Aduda beer haidomba gi punam doana. With all its muddy feet that pressed to early coffee stands, coffee tapumda ande mande yam hailingdana tholai ba mi sing do coffee thappa tholai sing do. Instead of freshness or fragrance of flowers or any other freshness, they face first of all the stale smells of beer. Beer gi pumnam hano me city dwellers. With other masquerades, that time resumes. In the morning, dull activities, when they are continuing the dull activities of the morning, time pass away. One thinks of all the hands that are raising dingy sacks. Aduna hainingraba kutsingduna phaklang thongnau dagi mami tana phatta haudi lamthoknare in 1,000 furnished rooms, in the flats and rooms which were well decorated and well furnished by equipments for comfort things. In the last stanza, in 1,000 furnished rooms, describe a very artificial life of city dwellers. Sarada Ladiva, me sing city, yam artificial oiba, Kusiem Gioiba, Ado Mapunchi Mahingi Havise, Gavina. Line in 1,000 furnished rooms. From in the innumerable flats and rooms where people live, furnished suggests artificial surrounding and so artificial life. So you can go through the word notes here. Number 5 the word notes I say sida poetry is a bit difficult. Dictionary you cannot find the exact meaning what the poet wanted. Kabina Pamiba Arthur dictionary there Manadava Kragatina Yawani Aduna. Please go through the word notes on page number 136, number 5. I have word notes in stanza wise ki go through the just follow the questions on page number 139. And if there's any confusion, I will get back to you. Thank you.